Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to configure VLANs on a Mikrotik router and how to block VLAN to VLAN communication. I have prepared a topology for the topic in this video. I have here two internet plugged in port 1 and port 2, and in port 3, 4, and 5, I will assign VLANs. For port 3, VLAN 10, for port 4 and 5, VLAN 20. The goal of this video is to show you how to block VLAN 10 cannot communicate with VLAN 20, the VLAN 20 cannot communicate with VLAN 10. Without further ado, let's get started. First, I will configure the basic settings on the Mikrotik router so it can have an internet connection. So as what you can see, the Mikrotik router now has an internet. Next, I will create a bridge and assign port 3, 4, and 5 as members on that bridge. Go to bridge, click plus, then I limit bridge, then go to ports, click plus. For the members, port 3, port 4, and port 5. Next, I will configure VLANs on that bridge. I will create two VLANs, VLAN 10 and VLAN 20. Assign IP address to each VLAN and set up a DHCP server. Go to interface, VLAN, click plus, VLAN 10, ID 10, interface bridge, apply, copy, and I will create for VLAN 20. Next, I will now assign IP address on VLAN 10 and VLAN 20. Go to IP, then address, click plus, then choose VLAN 10. Then I will assign 192.168.10.1 on VLAN 10. Then I will also do the same for VLAN 20. Then we will create the DHCP server for VLAN 10. Then I will also do the same for VLAN 20. So we are now done on this configuration. Next, I will assign now port 3 to have VLAN 10 network and port 4 and 5 to have VLAN 20 network. So to do that, go to bridge, then go to VLANs, click plus, VLAN ID 10, tag to the bridge, then untag to port 3. Apply. And let's create again for port 4 and 5. So VLAN ID 20, tag the bridge, then untag port 4 and port 5. Apply, then OK. Then go to ports, then assign here the PVID for port 3, PVID 10. For port 4, PVID 20. Port 5, PVID 20. Then go to bridge, then enable the VLAN filtering. So we are now done with VLAN configuration in the router. So let's verify. I will access the VLAN then PC. So as you can see, it gets an IP address from the VLAN then network. I will access the VLAN 20 PC. So as you can see as well, it gets an IP address from the VLAN 20 network. Let's try to ping. Let's say I'm here in VLAN 10. I will ping VLAN 20. So as you can see, it can ping to the VLAN 20 PC. How about the VLAN 20? I will ping it to VLAN 10. So as you can see, it also pings successfully to the VLAN 10 PC. So by default, if you don't put any filters, VLAN to VLAN communication between clients is working. And we won't want that. So for security reasons, we will block VLAN 10 to access VLAN 20, then VLAN 20 to access the VLAN 10. So to do the filtering, go to the IP firewall filter. Okay, plus general. Go to chain forward destination address, source address. Let's say the network address of VLAN 10. Destination address will be the VLAN 20. Then action, drop. Let's copy, then do the same for VLAN 20. Destination address VLAN 10. The same, the action is drop. Let's check if the filter rules are working. So let's go again to PC 10. So as you can see, PC 10 cannot ping now the VLAN 20 PC. How about the VLAN 20? As you can see as well, VLAN 20 cannot ping now the VLAN 10. Therefore, our configuration is working as intended. And that's it, everyone. This is how to configure VLANs in a Mikrotik router and how to block VLAN to VLAN communication between clients. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos. Bye for now and have a nice day.